Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Hello, I'm teacher Nathan. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Let's learn while having fun. Hi, I'm teacher Nathan, or simply Mr. A. I hope you're doing good. Have a wonderful day. Are you ready for adventure? Will you join me today? Let's have a talk, let's have a walk, let's travel and let's play. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Hello, I'm teacher Nathan. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Let's learn while having fun. Let's go and explore the world with teacher Nathan. Hello and let's go. Hey, I'm teacher Nathan. I have something to say, so lend me your ears and don't be afraid. You're wonderful and loved, so put your smile on your face. Come and join me, explore the best days on the way. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Hello, I'm teacher Nathan. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Let's learn while having fun. Let's go and explore the world with teacher Nathan. Hello and let's go with teacher Nathan.